Hello and welcome to my computer build. I built this computer about like 6 months ago or something, and I finished it like just a few more months ago, and now I'm finally doing the video about it. But yeah, this is my computer, and I like it, and it was expensive, so it's gonna be good, you know. So obviously it's fully water cooled, the CPU and the graphics card. There's a reservoir. It has a Intel, the i7, the highest one, the 3770K. I don't have it overclocked because this motherboard, which is the Asus 5 formula, because it is kind of weird, and I don't know, I couldn't really figure it out in the BIOS, but it doesn't really matter because because I don't really need that much power because all I do really is gaming, and maybe I'll do some more videos about video games, or maybe I don't know, because I like to play video games. Who doesn't though? And the video card is the Asus HD 7970. It's overclocked from 925 megahertz to 975 megahertz, and the reason why it's not overclocked even more, and that's just the core, and the memory is not, because for some reason it just didn't get any higher. And excuse me if I can't speak or talk or remember anything because I'm sick right now. And I will probably be doing a later video about this when I get my monitor that I get when I get it later. Anyway, the power supply is 700 watts. That's plenty for this thing. It's full amount. I think half. It is half modular. I think, yeah, half modular. And that's plenty of power for this thing. I think somebody was saying that you could run this 2 cards with that power supply. And then I have 8 gigs of memory, DDR3, 2400 megahertz, 8 gigs of RAM. That's from G.Skill, I think, or Triton X. What does that say? Oh, G.Skill, yeah. Sorry, man. And those fans are Corsair, and the top are running at 1000 RPM, which is plenty because that's a 3 fan radiator. Oh, and the case is a 800D, Corsair 800D. If you haven't noticed already, which you probably have. But and what else? The storage. I have about 5 terabytes. I'll put a picture of that after. Like right now, I will actually. Okay, and then there's solid state drives, which I have 2 120 gigs. And then they're running SATA 3, and they're at about 500 megabytes read and write. But anyway, and only one of those is for my OS. And my OS is Windows 8, as you can see here. Windows 8. I know I'm using that program. Anyway, the monitor that I'm going to be using, I'll post a Newegg link as an annotation or something. And obviously it's red, and it looks good, I think. Let's see. Oh, and the mouse is, I don't even know what brand that is. It's just a good mouse because it has like adjustable weights, and you can control the DPI with those buttons right there. And the keyboard I have is Logitech, and it's a Modern Warfare 3 one because I got this when I liked Modern Warfare 3. And let's see what else. My monitor is a Samsung right now, and soon it's going to be an Asus. Oh, and also Blu-ray drive, Blu-ray writable drive. And my headset, I will post a picture of it right here. So there's the headset that I use. It's wireless, 2.4 gigahertz, uncompressed, wireless, like I said right there. Logitech. So yeah. Tell me if you like it. Subscribe if you want to see more about my computer. Maybe I'll do some upgrades. I'm thinking about getting a second graphics card, but that would just be ridiculous power. I don't know. So I like this computer. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.